We all enjoy the summer sunshine, but heat waves bring a high risk of wildfires. These photos are from a wildfire that destroyed a number of our homes in Dagenham, East London. Dry conditions mean fires spread quickly, so it's important to be prepared. Keep your garden clear and watered, and never dispose of cigarettes or smoking materials on the ground. Always ensure they're fully extinguished. Speak to neighbours about overgrown land and contact Southern Housing or your local authority if needed. Taking simple steps now can make a big difference during dry and hot weather.